National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Madison, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Madison, Park Forest, University Park, Crete, and Goodenough. Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Tinley Park, Chicago Heights, Oak Forest, Park Forest, Homewood, Madison, Frankfort, Steger, Country Club Hills, Dyer, Hazel Crest, Richton Park, Markham, Sauk Village, Flossmere, Frankfort Square, Glenwood, Crete, University Park, Monee, Olympia Fields, Beecher, Ford Heights, and South Chicago Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.